Hey there webmasters, I'm Christian from RackNerd. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of upgrading your services in your RackNerd account. Whether you're looking to increase your resources, enhance your service, or unlock additional features, upgrading with RackNerd is seamless and straightforward. So why should you consider upgrading your services? Well, as projects and websites grow, you'll likely need more resources to ensure optimal performance. Upgrading allows you to scale your hosting environment without any disruption, so your sites continue running smoothly no matter how much they grow. Let's dive into the steps to upgrade your service. Now I'm going to share my screen and let's get started with the tutorial. The first step is to log into your RackNerd Client Area at my.racknerd.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage all your services and account details. Next, navigate to the Services tab, which will display a list of all the active services you currently have with RackNerd. To begin the upgrade process, click on the specific service that you want to upgrade. Once you've selected the service, you'll be taken to the Service Management page. On the left side, you'll find the Actions panel. Under this panel, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is the Upgrade/Downgrade button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this will bring you to the page where you can review all the available upgrades and downgrade options. Here, you'll be able to select a new product tier or service level that better suits your current needs, whether it's more storage, additional resources, or other enhanced features. You can also choose your billing cycle, monthly, annual, or any other term that works best for you. Once you've made your selections, click Choose Product. After that, you'll be directed to the checkout page where you'll see any outstanding credits or charges for the upgrade. This is where you can settle any balances and finalize the process. After completing the checkout process, your upgraded services will be active, and you will be immediately able to take advantage of the increased resources or new features. RackNerd ensures a smooth transition. There is no downtime or disruption to your existing services. And there you have it, you have successfully upgraded your services in your RackNerd account. If you have any questions or need additional help, our 24/7 support team is always available to help you guys out. Just open up a ticket with us and we will be happy to assist. If you haven't already, make sure to visit RackNerd.com for reliable hosting solutions tailored exactly to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, RackNerd TV, for more helpful tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.